In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy eSIM via Agoda. If you are planning to travel internationally and want an easy way to stay connected without using a physical SIM card, purchasing an eSIM through Agoda can be a convenient option. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of selecting a destination, choosing the right data package, and completing your purchase so you can start using mobile data as soon as you arrive at your destination. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Agoda website. Once the home page loads completely, from the menu, choose the eSIM option. After selecting it, you will be redirected to Agoda's eSIM partner platform, where you can browse available mobile data plans for different countries and regions. The page is designed to help travelers quickly choose internet packages based on where they are going. Next, select the country where you plan to use the eSIM. For example, if you are traveling to Japan, simply click on Japan from the list of available destinations. Once selected, Agoda will display different eSIM options and available data packages for that country. After choosing your destination, you will need to decide which type of eSIM best fits your travel needs. Depending on availability, you may see options such as a local eSIM for a single country, a regional eSIM for multiple nearby countries, or a global eSIM that works across several destinations worldwide. Carefully review the available options before making your selection. The next step is choosing your preferred data plan. Agoda usually provides several package options including different amounts of mobile data such as 5 GB, 10 GB, 20 GB, 30 GB, or even unlimited data plans. Select the package that matches your expected internet usage and travel duration. Once you've chosen the plan you want, click the Proceed button to continue to the checkout page. Here, you will be asked to provide your contact and payment information in order to complete the purchase securely. After your payment is processed successfully, Agoda will send a QR code directly to your email address. Finally, open the email on your smartphone and scan the QR code to activate your eSIM. Once activated, your mobile data plan will be ready to use according to the package you selected. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.